Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, January 14, Tuesday. Let's start reviewing the market and let's see what we have. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Stefan, Andrei, Gideon, Mark. Okay, people. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. That's the starting point for us. And I still think this range is valid. As I said multiple times yesterday, everyone was bearish here, and I publicly said multiple times here, well, I'm expecting SFU, I'm expecting fake out, taking this level and reclaiming the range. And you can see what happened. We took the liquidity here, a lot of people got liquidated here. Bitcoin trading below 90k, that put some people on the wrong, took their stop loss. And as usual, market bounced back. We are at 95, so 5k more, not bad. We play some setups. In the live stream I said about SFU at this level, and then I said about the Dalai Lama. I played both of them and made some money. That's why we are here, to make some money. Now, what we should expect from now on? Well, to expect, it's simple, in my view. Let's take this high. As simple as that, people. This high, this low. This is the short reload zone in the middle of the range. You can see confluences here. Well, if we'll touch 97, 98, 99, you can see this candle needs a retest. Here, I'm waiting to see what will happen. If the market will push here at 100 and will aim out, then okay, we have a short opportunity, at least to hedge our sport portfolio. For a long, well, we need a retest of this big candle. So if the market, we have to zoom in on a lower time frame, okay? Take the low, take the high, and then wait for a retest in the long reload zone of this candle. And then we can play along again. Here, at 95, it's kind of difficult for me to say, well, long or short. I'm kind of 50-50. Well, we can go up to 98, 99, or we can go back down at 92 to retest that week. Okay? So, I'm waiting for something to happen. If I want to trade at 95, I have to trade long, and I have to trade with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Simple as that. So that's my thinking here. If we'll come back down here at 92, that's a buying opportunity. That's a hunting long opportunity there at 92. If we'll push higher here, 98, 99, 100, here will be a shorting opportunity. Okay, we are not shorting because we are too bullish, but we can hedge our spot portfolio. Okay, and from now on, we can trade here on 5-minute chart. Let's find the 5-minute chart with Holy Grail. There you go. Can you see it? Holy Grail is here. If you want to play it, well, you don't like 5-minute chart, well, no problem. Go on 15. You can play that if you want. But only if you know how to play with Holy Grail and if you are a day trader. If not, you have to wait for a good location. Good location means short reload zone here or back down here. Let's draw a line here. Let's draw the fib. So, let's draw the fib. Long reload zone. There you go. So, long reload zone is telling us we need to go back down here at 91, 800, 92. This area, 92, 600 to 91 here, and this retesting this week, that will be a really nice long again. People will panic again. Well, it was just a dead cat bounce. And we can buy. Let's put 4-hour chart. Maybe we have more details. Well, you can see something here on 4-hour chart. Okay. Let's do something like this. Even better. And you see candle body lows for trade location, $9,750. Okay, so that's our thinking here. Back here and then push higher. Well, CT, if you don't like my voice, please close the live stream and join us in 1 hour. Stefan will live stream in 1 hour. That's the program. I'm doing the daily plan, even Tuesday, and after I finish this one, Stefan will start the day trading with Stefan. Yeah? So if you don't like me, no problem. Wait for Stefan in 1 hour. Good morning, Andre. And we have the same routine every week. Yeah? So it's not hard to learn our routines and to learn the program we have here. Okay. So for our chart, this is the area where I'll be more than interested to hunt long ideas again. Even 92 could be an area, but I need more reasons here because that's we have a lot of confluences here. You can see, look left. So 92,000, it's a good level to hunt. Maybe we'll not touch, we'll front run the 61.8 in the long reload zone, maybe. But I need to go on 5-minute chart and see some W's to even think about longing 92. Okay, that's Bitcoin, people. That's Bitcoin in my book. Overall, as long as we are close to the event, Trump inauguration, I don't think we have anything else to do. Thinking bullish, thinking range. And in the range, you have to buy the lows, and if you want to short, you can short the top of the range, like we had here. Here we had a really nice opportunity to short, to hedge, and we took it. Everyone was bullish here. Let me show you this one. Not this one. Come on. Yeah? Just look at this one. At that point in time, when we had this high, this low, this was the short reload zone. Look at the market here on daily chart. We tested short reload zone here, mountain man, and we dumped. Everyone was bullish here. Everyone was bearish here. Simple as that. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Not too many things we can say. We are still on a higher time frame. We are still fighting 100K. Now, Bitcoin dominance. We are in the same place like yesterday. Not too many things we can say. We have a kind of a W here. We are against an EM here. Just let's wait and see what we will get. Ethereum versus Bitcoin at the lows. At the lows, testing the lows. Don't be bearish here. You don't have the risk reward. You don't have anything to do here. Just wait for a W. Okay? If you don't see a W and market wants to go lower, so be it. Let it go lower. Don't touch it. When you see W's, you can buy. Okay. Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Total market cap. Total market cap. It's still bullish in my view. Above 3 trillion. All this dump. What this dump did? Look at it. I don't know how. Some people just don't want to get this idea. Look what happened yesterday in all the dump, all the panic. We just test 3 trillion. Simple as that. And we aggressively bounce back. Well, simple as that, people. Total 3. We are still fighting 1 trillion. Well, I think I didn't look at Ethereum versus dollar here. Let's take a look. Well, look at it. We completed an NAB equals CD to the downside here. Almost touched the long reload zone. Just almost. Let's put something like this. So this is the long reload zone. This is the AB equals CD to the upside. We had another one here that is completed. And we have another one here. It seems like Ethereum loves to take the AB equals CD. Well, we still have some room to push to the downside. So if you see Bitcoin dumping, expect Ethereum to test lower levels. And actually to test this level. this level, or this level. Some levels here, kind of 2,800 and more or less. Okay, this is the support, and we discussed this level long time ago. So if Bitcoin will come back down to retest on 4-hour daily chart, okay, if we'll retest here the lows at 90, then Ethereum should go all the way down here. I'll short? No. I'll wait to buy Ethereum here. I'll wait to long Ethereum at 2,800. That will be my play. What you do with your own money? Strictly your business. So, that long reload zone is not valid anymore. We are in a big range here from $4,000 to $3,000, maybe a bit lower, and we are playing around that range. At some point in time, we'll go above $4,000. But for the moment, I'm waiting here lower on Ethereum. I don't want to play Ethereum at the moment. I'm waiting here in the lows. Maybe I could get a chance. Simple as that. That's the overview here, people. That's my overview for today. Not too many things to say besides that we had that SFU swap of liquidity and we are back in the range. Stefan and I were live streaming when the market was dumping. And we said, well, everyone is bearish. We are forced by our plans to hunt long ideas. And we made nice money, respecting our plan. My sound is what? Stefan, my sound it's okay or what's happening? Seems like my OBS is saying that my voice is okay. Yeah, okay. I saw CT or C Kappa said something about my sound. Anyway. Okay. Now. That's Ethereum. Let's look at economic calendar. Today we have as big news PPI, month to month. You can see just half an hour or 1 hour before the stock market will open. Probably with the second impact we have more news today. Now, Tuesday, you can see. Some Fed speakers, but PPI is the most important. Tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow we should stay the fuck out. Most of the New York session. Look at it. Yeah? Core inflation raised to month. That will produce some volatility. Before the event, after the event, in the event. So careful tomorrow. Today, just a little bit in the news. We should stay out and then we can play again. That being said, let's look at what we have on lower time frame. Let's see. Okay. So I took this trade, this SFU level, 5-minute chart, we reclaimed, well, even on lower time frame, and I took this one. Well, it's good enough for me. Let's take it. Was a clear rejection here, and you can see I'm still targeting higher. Then I said at the end of the live stream, well, after the live stream, I'll hunt some Dalai Lama setups because I could see the market doing Dalai Lama. And I hope everyone on Crypto Traders Arena knows what Dalai Lama is and how to play it. Especially the premium members, the VIP members. Yeah, on general, I don't know. They are new people, old people. I don't know how many things they know. But a Dalai Lama, it's a simple concept. And you can see, we had a rejection, consolidating, and making the W's. Took this W, made nice money. Even someone on VIP asked me what I should play, that if it will hold, and I said, well, I'm looking for more long ideas. Even here, I want to hunt a long idea, and I showed this one. Yeah? Dalai Lama means straight up, consolidating sideways, making some W's and pushing higher again. You can see it. If you don't know what Dalai Lama is just go and type on Dalai Lama pattern on Google and you'll see the GIF there. In the same time, people, in the same time, now at this point on 5-minute chart, I have to see something else. I said it multiple times. Actually, I said it on VIP, I think. I don't know if I posted for all the members, but we are above a short reload zone here. Yeah? Think about these are some highs. Okay, we can SFU them, but at the same time, it's not a good area to hunt long ideas. So if you didn't bought these lows, lows here now, I don't think it's a good idea to buy. I think it's a shorting opportunity for scalpers. This is a shorting opportunity for scalpers. If the market will come out here, a scalper could play a short here. I'll frame the trade now. Not for everyone. Okay, not for public, not for beginners. It's just risky to short. And on 5-minute chart, it's even riskier. But indeed, we can play some short ideas here if we are day traders. Usually, with Dalai Lama, I close my trades at 3 to 1. I just frame them all the way up. But usually for Dalai Lama, I learned in my short experience that 3 to 1 is more than enough. And I have to close at least 50% at 3 to 1. Okay? So here, if you don't want to short, and I don't recommend to short, at least book some profit. Because everyone from Crypto Traders Arena had access on the live stream yesterday. It was for everyone. I made it on the public channel. And we said, I'm long here. It's up to you. I'll take this one. And then we took this one. More than that, on the 5-minute chart, because I was hunting aggressively Dalai Lama and Dalai Lama will give you a short opportunity, I decided to play even more than that. Okay? But I closed the trade already. 3 to 1 and it's done. Okay? And Solana, I think. Yeah. A lot of altcoins had the same pattern. I just decided that I want to play Solana, Ethereum and Bitcoin. But a lot of them had even better reward, even better, clearer Dalai Lama patterns, better setup. But because they are bigger, I decided to take Solana, Ethereum and Bitcoin, and that's it. But let's look at this one. W pushing higher. Let's take more. Let's take another one. Tia, well, look at Tia. Tia did a full retest here, not a Dalai Lama anymore. But you can see. Okay. Some altcoins did a stronger retest. Some of them did the clear Dalai Lama. People, learn to trade if you want to make money. Copy trading is not useful. You can get some ideas from us, but if you don't know how to trade yourself, you'll not be able to make money on the long run. You have to know the risk management and you have to learn day in, day out to become better and better and better. Yeah, I'm more than okay with VIP. I post in VIP. I help people in VIP. But at the same time, I have to tell people, you cannot stay there and only take the trades we give and don't learn anything. Learn to trade by yourself, learn setups, learn how to frame them, learn a good risk management, and start evolving, because on the long run, who is not evolving, is not learning, will be left behind. Okay. If you want, Stefan, if you want to frame a short here, break down and retest, it's up to you. But I could see the setup forming there. If not, at least tell people to take some profit off. Okay, that's my thinking here on altcoins. We can look at them on 4-hour daily chart to see the good location. Let's take on daily something. See what we have. I need to change this list, but anyway, look at this one. What happened on Bonk here? No? I'm not a fan of Bonk, you know that. It's just a meme coin, but technically, if you take this swing low, swing high, we are in the long reload zone. We have a retest of the level. It's a good thinking to wait for W's here and play a long setup? On 4-hour daily chart? I think it is. Pepe. Similar. Well, we need to wait a little bit more. Not a good location. Look at this one. It's testing the lows, people. Where you want to buy this one? At the top? Not here? Aevo. Testing the lows again. I have too much Aevo. I will not add and not even one Aevo to my bag. I have more than enough. I don't recommend shorting, see Kappa. I don't recommend shorting. I recommend to book some profit. If you short, it's up to you. It's risky to short because, like I said, it's in a no man land. You don't have a good location there. Not the best location. Market could in I don't know 2 hours pump to 98. So I don't recommend to short. If you short, it's up to you. If you know how to do it, if you know how to scalp, it's a different problem than to tell the public, well, it's a good area to short here. Stefan, it's a scalper. Stefan could trade on 1 3-minute chart all day long. Yeah? I could trade on 1 3-minute chart all day long, and I could long, short, but when the setup is invalidated and market will touch the stop loss, I'm out. If you cannot do that, don't even think about it. Okay. Aevo. Testing the lows. If you don't like it, don't buy it. Buy the next one. Well, look at Alt. It's at 78.6. All day long, I'm saying that altcoins love to make W's at 78.6. Shit coins, meme coins, AI coins, all the shit coins. No? They love to bottom at 78.6. And the best setup you can play on altcoins, doesn't matter if they are meme coins, doesn't matter if they are I don't know, on Solana and they are new. When you see them pushing higher, backing off and making a double at 78.6, that's the area where you want to hunt a new long. And you know, because we say that over and over again. And now Bochan is using that setup every day. Because it's a nice area where it's a good 78.6 is shark level, and when you see a W, well, I think you should take that trade. Here on daily we don't have a W yet, but we can form one. So patience, wait for a W, or go a bit deeper on 4-hour chart. Well, you still don't have a clear W. So more patience. But we have a lot of altcoins to hunt. Doge, you can see, no. This one, testing the lows. Well, I bought enough. I have 2 free bags. I bought here. I'll just leave it alone. Dimension, look at it. All this dump did, I was thinking that will take the lows, will sweep the lows, but seems like no. Someone said, well, enough, it's enough. You have to hold $1. And it's bouncing back. Will go up without testing these lows at 97 cents? I don't think so. I'll be honest, I don't think so. But it's so important? No. It's a buying opportunity. If you don't have enough, you can buy 97, this swap of the liquidity. That will be, you'll look like a genius if you buy this one and you hold to the top. And then you show up, well, look at me. Okay? So, if you have in your plan to buy more altcoins, just try to put a limit order here at 97 cents. See what happens. And a lot of altcoins look similar, people. FAT is tested in the long relow zone, wait for a new W. Goat is on this list because was nice and shiny. Now is not anymore. Sorry, Goat. Out. This one here, we are in the long relow zone on ING. New W, new setup. Why not? I could go on the entire list. Almost all the altcoins look similar, people. Yeah. Manta, look at it. Not testing the lows. Osmo, back in the long relow zone. When I said couple of days, weeks back, when We are bouncing, and I said, well, we are waiting for a W here. We are waiting for the long reload zone. Everyone said, well, it's not possible. Will not come back down. Well, seems like impossible happened. Right? Similar. Good location, time to pay attention, time to hunt W's. So you don't get better environment than this, people. Market is in a good location, trying to form some W's. Pay attention. Wait for the W's, play setups, make some money. But if you don't have a plan and you don't have a good risk management, if you don't know the process, it's impossible for you to do that. You'll look for guidance on Twitter, you'll look for guidance at influencers, and they'll tell you, well, we are panic selling here and we are panic buying here. And you'll lose money. It's simple as that. Learn to trade. Learn how to trade by yourself. We have the program. Less than 5 places available. We'll start in February. You still have time to book a place. But if you book a place, please be consistent and stay 4 months with me, and you'll see the results. Okay? So, I'm not shilling you anything here. We'll start the program already in February. If you want to join us, I'm accepting 20 people max in total. So, it's up to you. If you want to join, DM me on Discord and let's see if you are fit for a couple one, because I'm accepting people that I see they are not consistent or they have a moon boy mentality. It's impossible to teach a guy who wants to get rich in one fucking trade. That guy will stay the fuck out. I'm not allowing. I don't need him in the program. It's just a pain in the ass. It's just a high maintenance guy that will give me more trouble than will make good. So I don't accept moon boys. I don't accept people with ugly characters, or if I consider he's not fit for couple one. Okay? Okay, let's go back on this list. So on Python, hunt long ideas here. It's not ready at this point, but will force a W's at some point in time. You have to be here ready to know what to do and play the W's. Look at this one. I could go on the entire list, people. Similar. Tao. Well, I had a setup here and failed. Let's, I want to see Tao on 1 hour. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. Can you see? We had a Dalai Lama like on everything on lower time frame, but some people said when Stefan said that $3,380, $360, it's playable, it's a Wyckoff check, and we'll play that one. Well, everyone, well, no, it's not possible. Well, tell Stefan now that it's not possible to touch $360. Please go and tell Stefan that. Because I know for sure some people told him that, well, it's impossible. Well, you are getting in the long reload zone shortly. Let me update a little bit. Okay. So, now you think it's possible for Tao to get in the long reload zone $350, $300 and make a W? Well, now I think it's possible, no? Well, people, impossible in crypto? Come on. So, people are saying, well, Tao will go to the moon. Well, find a chart, a complete chart with Tao, and they'll tell me where Tao is. Tao is damn high. It's strong, it's bullish, okay, but look at where they started. And then come back and tell me, well, it's impossible to trace $300. Come on. And we didn't say 300, we said $360. The best we can do was 380. So sorry people that we missed the target to $20. Sorry. Next time we'll do better. I'm joking. I know most of the crypto traders arena people know that we are using TA and fibs to find our location. And they understand that usually the fibs are hit. Okay people. We talked about the overview, we talked about some altcoins, we talked about scalping. I'm not used to look at 5-minute chart, but we did it because we had some Dalai Lamas yesterday. Stefan will start in half an hour or less, I don't know. You'll see Stefan posting on his Twitter, posting on Discord. He will start a day trading with Stefan session. Okay? So you can ask Stefan any request you have, because it's late now, so I'll not open the request part. I'll close the live stream and you can go and bug Stefan as much as you want with all the requests you have. Okay? I'm old and I'm I'll let Stefan do that job. Stefan broke my ears and my nerves for 2 years, so now I'm revenging. I'm taking my revenge and I'll put him to work. Well, people, that being said, first thing you should do, you should go on Twitter and see what influencer told you that we are going lower and we should panic sell, unfollow, and then come back and join Stefan for the live stream. Take care today because the location is not the best. Yeah, we had the bounce. Usually the market after a bounce like this will consolidate, and because we have some news in the New York, we can have a dark mole again. Okay, people, see you in half an hour in the other live stream. Bye bye.